Hi everybody, today we will talk about how to fix the problem of bot not responding on the application of Telegram. You should just follow me step by step. In the first, we will go to settings and you will click here on settings. As you see in this page, you will go down until you find apps, defaults, apps, app settings. Here in this list, you will go down to search about Telegram in this list here, or you can search about it here. Like this, you will write Telegram to find your app in this page and you will click on it here. Then in this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then you will click on clear cache, but be attention, don't click clear data here, because that can delete your account or can cause you errors. As you see, in the end you will return to this page of app info. You will go to permissions here, as you see, and in this page you will check if all these permissions allowed. As you see here, you will find call, logs, contacts, permissions, music and audio, notifications, phone and photos and videos permissions. You will allow all these permissions here. Then you will go to this window of Play Store and you will click here. After that, you will click in this sign of search. Then you will go to above here. You will search about the application of Telegram. And here in this page, if you find update in this blue sign, you will click here to update. But if all these steps not working with you, then you should just uninstall your app and you can install it again to fix that problem. So that's all the solution of this problem. Then you can know how to fix the problem of bots not responding on the application of Telegram, as you see. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video.